10 terms you should remove from your vocabulary. You underestimate the power of your words. They have an impact on your daily life, profession, and relationships by influencing your thoughts and deeds. These 10 phrases and words should be swapped out for ones that are more powerful. Attempt. First of all, try. The distinction between "I'll try to finish" and "I will finish" is significant. When you use the term try, you are essentially giving yourself a pass when the first roadblock appears, since it connotes insecurity and self-doubt. Conversely, the term will boost self-assurance. It helps you focus on the work at hand and approaches it with a get-it-done mentality, increasing your chances of success. Issue number 2, problem. Upon reflection, isn't a problem inherently subjective? Every event is completely neutral. We just give it a title to give it significance. Thus, the reason it's an issue is that you think it is. It's just how you see it. If you approach it more as a challenge, you are forced to look for a solution, which makes you proactive as opposed to reactive. Duty. The third is have to. How much of your life consists solely of duties? Actions required of you? The implication of the term is that you have no power over your life, your decisions, or your day. It could make you feel like a victim, or at least present you that way to other people. Yes, we all do things we regret from time to time. But being told you have to do something only breaks your heart and turns you into another gear in the machine. Instead, use "I'm going to" in place of that sentence. It conveys the sense of having more power, which will increase your self-assurance. Fourth point, but. Everything that comes before the term but is negated or cancelled by it. Your mind therefore hears only "I don't have time" when you say "I want to finish reading this book," but you don't have the time. It's a roadblock in your way, and you're not even making an effort to get beyond it. Thus, the next time you wish to accomplish something, substitute "and" for that. Before you can even come up with an excuse, you'll be deceiving your mind into figuring out how to make it happen. Not able to. The fifth is can't. Many hopes and dreams have been dashed by can't. It puts a stop to everything and makes it impossible for you to go forward. Saying "I can't" means giving up on any opportunity you may have had because you let doubt to rule your thoughts. Give yourself reasons why it can happen rather than reasons why it can't. There are endless opportunities when you concentrate on finding answers rather than enumerating reasons why something won't work out. Failing. Sixth, failure. Look, things will not always work out as you had hoped. You didn't fail because of that. And it's definitely not an indication of your value or skill. It's just an occurrence. Something you learned from that particular event. You regain control over the problem and are motivated to find a solution when you substitute the phrase failure with "I'm learning." Seventh, should. Usually, when we use the term should, we mean it. But it frequently causes feelings of regret, remorse, and frustration. It can also be used to indicate that something is required of you, such as "I should go to the gym." The fact is, you could achieve anything at all if that was your true desire. Make a decision, then. You may say that "I've decided to go to the gym" or "not to go today." It not only offers you greater control but also eliminates the sense of strain associated with the activity. Anger. The eighth is hate. Hatred is a powerful word that stokes a toxic stew of animosity, rage, and bitterness. It also affects your body physically, tightening your muscles and causing dyspnea. Take a step back and stop placing so much emotional, mental, and physical strain on yourself. Give yourself a moment, and concentrate on the good things. You don't have to despise the other thing in order to favor one over the other. For instance, you could love social science and deserted highways more than math and rush hour. Saying "I prefer" puts you in a more personable and friendly light without diluting your point. People will be able to relate to your preferences, and the dialogue will turn more constructively. The ninth is someday. One day. Someday is a word that allows you to avoid actually committing to anything. It's not a date on the calendar. Saying you'll launch a firm someday conveys a lack of confidence in your current capacity to take action. You lose out on the experience when you put off doing something you want to do. Don't put off doing something till some far-off time in the future if you truly want to do it. Take action right now. Alternatively, choose a firm start date and adhere to it. Unthinkable. 10th. Impossible. Ignore the word completely. To quit up before you've even tried something is impossible. It gives you the impression that you have no chance at all. Alternatively, you could characterize something as tough or demanding, implying that learning will be involved. Anything is achievable if you put your mind to it. Not an exemption. All you actually need to do is make a small mindset adjustment. Words have the ability to build or ruin relationships and circumstances. You can move mountains with them if you know how to use them. You'll get into a rut if you employ the incorrect ones. Add additional uplifting words and phrases to your story to position yourself for success if we are the authors of our own fate. Please like and share this video with your friends if you liked it so that we can continue to make more like it. Click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos just like this one. Don't forget to watch our other videos as well. Thank you for viewing.